Some recipes stop you mid-bite, and this is one of them. It starts with a 100% pure cacao chocolate bar, and I have the luxury of having it. No additives, no shortcuts, just the darkest, richest chocolate you can find. Chop it fine and melt it slowly with the butter. Half white sugar, half brown. That combination is the secret to the crinkle top. The sugars dissolve completely into the warm chocolate before the eggs go in, one at a time. Sift your dry ingredients and add salt. A pinch of cardamom, unexpected but unforgettable. An 8x8 pan, smaller than you'd think. That's intentional. Thicker brownies, denser crumb, more fudge per bite. Some sea salt on the top, 350 degrees, 32 minutes, not a second more. Then the hardest part, 1 full hour of cooling. A hot knife through cold brownies give you those clean, perfect edges. Dark chocolate, brown sugar, cardamom, and a little patience. That's all it takes to make the best brownie of your life. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.